I'm Carolin Frueh, Associate Professor at the School of Aeronautics and Astronautics at Purdue University. Space debris are all human-made objects which do no longer have a purpose and are not in the expectation to resume any purpose. So that means things that go along with the satellite and then are discarded, mission-related objects, but also the dead satellites themselves after mission. At the Cislunar space, we usually define the space between the Earth and the Moon, including the near-lunar region. There is increased interest in that region from agencies like NASA, but also other owner-operators, so we will see more missions going into that region, and that has already started. We were witnessing the Artemis mission, for example. My group is now looking at what happens if we have a fragmentation event in the cislunar space, for example, a rocket exploding or two satellites running into each other. What we find is that the fragments are traveling large distances, and this will be a huge problem for the cislunar region. Surveillance is a big challenge in that region because the region is vast. While ground-based sensors, Earth ground-based sensors, can still make a contribution, we will also need space-based sensors. What I'm working on is where would we place space-based sensors in order to have information on all the objects at all times in the cislunar region. If we're talking about an orbit, it means we want to know where an object, such as a satellite, is at a given time. That can be now, but then we can also propagate that in the future, predicting where it's going to be like in an hour or 3 days. In the cislunar region, in contrast to the near-Earth region, we have the chance to be ahead of the game and be proactive, and that's a chance we should absolutely take.